Hey, what's up guys? I want to make a video today sharing with you a niche that I found that could be a good opportunity for us merch by Amazon sellers. So the niche is My Mortgage Identifies as a Student Loan, and this refers to the news that broke yesterday about Biden basically getting rid of people's student loans. So you can just do a quick Google search, but here's one link talking about it. Biden announces historic student loan forgiveness. So you can take a look at that. But when we go back and look at the niche and the designs and the competition, we're going to see that we only have 90 results for this phrase. Here are what some of the designs look like. Now, none of them have BSRs yet. Sometimes it takes a while for them to load. Again, we don't know if this niche is going to take off or not. But since it's, the news just came out yesterday, it could be a good opportunity for us. So you might want to consider getting some designs up in this niche, basically because it's going to be trending. It's news that just broke out yesterday. It's in the political niche. Those type of designs tend to sell, and it's low in competition. If we go to test to see if the phrase is trademarked, you're going to see right here, My Mortgage Identifies as a Student Loan. We hit enter, and you're going to see that nothing pops up, so it's not trademarked. Good to go there. When we look at the competition on some of the other sites, for some reason Etsy is not even showing me anything, but I can just here see 5 results. Since this news is, within the last 24 hours, there's obviously going to be very little competition. When we check Redbubble, I think there's only 1 or 2, or actually 4 right here. So you can see a couple shirts, a couple stickers, only 4 results. And with TeePublic, I don't think anything popped up actually, so nothing right there. So this could be a good niche for us to make some money. You never know. It might take off, it might not, but you just want to basically position yourself so that in case this does start to trend and this does start to take off, your design will be in early and will be in front of more people to give you a better opportunity, a better chance to actually get some sales. All right, so consider making some designs in this niche with that phrase. You can go to Vexels if you're looking for like graphics. In clip art, I have an affiliate link in the description. So if you're interested, I think they're like $20 a month. This is where I get the majority of my graphics for my designs. They probably have the best graphics out of all of the graphic or clip-on sites or clip art sites. And then just a couple other things I want to share with you. I have some courses on Skillshare. So if you're a member of Skillshare, Skillshare is kind of like Netflix, but for courses. You pay $20 a month and you get access to all of their courses. So I have a Redbubble course, a FIverr course, and then 2 Etsy courses. So if you're selling on any of these platforms and maybe you're struggling or you just want to learn more or increase your sales, you might want to consider taking a look at some of these courses that I have. The links are in the description. And then last but not least, I just want to share with you guys my YouTube channel. So if you're kind of like stuck and you don't know what type of niches or designs to make, I have a bunch of videos showing you trending niches that are low in competition. So you can just go to my homepage. You're going to see all of my uploads. You can watch these videos, or you can just go to like the playlist that I have right here for August. And basically all of these niches or designs are just low in competition and they're trending. So that's probably one of the easiest ways to get some quick sales. I've been getting a lot of comments on my videos on how to get out of tier 10. This is one of the ways to just sell designs that are trending. That's probably the best way to go. Evergreen, can work as well. But if you're selling the trends, you have a good chance to make sales fairly quickly and get out of tier 10. So if you're interested in that, take a look at my YouTube channel. And if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. Make sure you click the bell so you never miss a video and that you get notified quickly when a new niche comes out. Because sometimes, like this last video that I did right here, when I saw this niche trending, there's only like 100 designs. And then when I checked like the next day, there was already like 500. So on merch, you got to be quick. And so make sure that if you do decide to subscribe, make sure you click the bell so you get notified. All right, so that's basically it. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video here. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.